Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger. You can't message this account. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger, you can't message this account. You should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will search about the application of Messenger. When you find this list of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Messenger. If you will find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.